Hello everyone, this is Akib Javed, welcomes you all on Pabbly, and here I would like to show you an amazing automation by which you can automatically add the students who are purchasing your online course into a marketing application that you are using. Okay, so here you can see I have taken the example of Instamojo to receive the payments of any online course that you are selling. Okay, and as and when you receive the payment from Instamojo of any of your course, you want to add the same student here in ConvertKit as a subscriber to market your all other products. Okay, so with the help of this automation that I'm about to tell you what will happen, let me show you the flow of our automation. What will happen as and when you receive the payment for your course in Instamojo, the student who have purchased your course will get automatically added here in ConvertKit as a subscriber. Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, what Pabbly Connect will do, it will connect these two applications together such that you receive a payment for your course. The same person who have made the payment will be added here in ConvertKit application as a new subscriber. And guys, the best part of making this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So now let me show you the process on my screen of how you can also create this automation. So guys, this is my computer screen, and here you can see I'm in the dashboard of Instamojo, which is a payment gateway application, and we are using this application to create payment links for an online course that I'm selling. Okay, so you can see here I have created this link digital marketing course to collect the payments for this course. Okay, so guys, you can share this link with your students, or you can attach this link with your website and collect the payments. So whenever any student make payment from this link, we are going to automatically add that student here in our ConvertKit application. Under this tag, you can see we have this tag here, digital marketing course, and a student got added here automatically, right? And the same student will be added here in my Google Sheet as well, along with the name, the email, the phone number, and the payment details also, like this. Okay, so now let me show you how you can also create this automation. So guys, the first step to create this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. Okay, so you have to type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com/connect in your internet browser, and you will reach this page. Okay, from this page you can set up your free Pabbly Connect trial account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. After that you can sign in, and when you sign in you will reach this page, the all apps section of Pabbly, and from here you have to click on this access now button of Pabbly Connect panel, and that will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here. And here guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So guys, to create a workflow you just have to click here on create workflow button like this, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow also. So let me fill the name here. So guys, I have filled the name of this workflow as add student in ConvertKit and Google Sheets on payment from Instamojo. Okay, now you can click on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay, and on this page you will find these two things. First, the trigger and the action. So our automation work on this trigger and action. So guys, trigger says when this happens, that means when anything happens. Action says Pabbly Connect do this. Okay, so when anything happens as a trigger, Pabbly Connect will perform certain action. So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and as you can see in our use case, the trigger would be the payment happening from our Instamojo payment link, and the action or response to that trigger would be to add the student in ConvertKit and on Google Sheets. Okay, so first of all, from this trigger window we are going to choose our trigger application from this choose app field, which is Instamojo. Okay, so this is Instamojo. You can see here it is. Select the application, and then you have to select the trigger event as well, and the trigger event would be a new sale, or you can read here, it triggers when a new sale or successful payment is done. Okay, so select this option here, and this will generate this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL. So with the help of this URL, first we are going to connect Instamojo with Pabbly Connect so that we can capture the details of the payment happening here. And the same details we are going to use to add student in ConvertKit and Google Sheets. Okay. So you can read these instructions here. You have to log into your Instamojo account, and in the product section, you have to paste this webhook URL. You can see in the advanced setting. Okay, you have to copy the webhook URL and then you have to capture a response. So you can read the instructions. Let me show you how you can connect Instamojo. So first of all, you have to copy this webhook URL from here like this. Okay, and then you have to go to your Instamojo application, which is this, and here you have to create a payment link from which you can receive the payments. So for creating a link, you have to click here on create new button like this, and from this window you have to select this payment link option, click on create link here. Okay, and here you have to select this smart link option, and here you can give the purpose of your payment. So you can type the name as course payment or anything you want. You can type the name of the course as well. Okay, then select the pricing type. So I'm selecting flat pricing only, and here you have to enter the price. So I'm just for example putting 10 rupees for now. Okay, and then you have to click here on customize link option, click on it, and here you'll find this smart actions option. Select the smart actions, and here you can see it is showing us add webhook. So click on add webhook here, and this field will open up, and in this field you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect here. Okay, so paste it here in this field like this. Okay, and then click on done, and you can see your link is ready here. So you can use this link to receive the payments. So I'm copying this link here and I'm opening it in another tab. Okay, and you can see in Pabbly Connect, as I have clicked on copy here on webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So now you have to do a test submission. That means you have to do a demo payment to capture the record of the payment here. Okay, so that we can use the details of the payment received here. So let me do a payment here. So you can enter the name of the student here. Let us say that our student Harsha is making this payment. So she is purchasing our course. So let me enter the details here. Okay, like this. So I'm entering some random details and the phone number. Okay, now I'm going to click on next, and this will generate this QR code to make the payment, or you can enter your UPI ID. So I'm making this payment from the QR code only. So guys, you can see here the payment is successful, is showing up here. Okay, so I have completed the payment. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we capture the data of this payment, and you can see the details of the payment is captured here like this. Okay, but it is only showing us that the payment is successful, the currency is Indian rupees, and the amount is this, but it is not showing us the details of the customer or who have made the payment. So to get the complete details, what you have to do, you have to perform this action, an action to fetch all the details of the customer. For that, you have to click here on this actions tab, and from this choose app field you have to select Instamojo again. Okay, this is Instamojo, and here in this action event you have to select get payment details option. Okay, this one like this, and then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and now it will ask for this private API key and the authorization to make the connection between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect. So you will find these two things in the API and plugin section of your Instamojo account. You can read this here. So let me show you. I'm going to my Instamojo account here. Okay, and here you can see on the left hand side, here it is written API and plugins. So click on this tab here, and this page will open up like this, and here you can see we have this private API key. Just copy this key from here. Okay, and paste this key here in Pabbly Connect in this private API key field like this, and you will find the authorization token also. Copy that token and paste the token here in this field. Okay. Now click on save and you can see you will be connected with Instamojo like this, right? Now it is asking for the payments ID. So you can see in the first tab where we have captured the details of the payment, it is showing us this payment ID. So we are going to use this ID only to receive all other information about the customer. So you have to map this payment ID label here in this field in the payment ID. So just click here and you will find this Instamojo new sale option here, and when you click on it you will find all the details that we have captured in the first tab. So by clicking on payment ID you can map the ID, then click on save and send test request, and you will see in the response it will show us all the details like this. Here you can see it has started showing us the details of the buyer, the phone number, the email, and all other details like this. Okay. Now we want to add this same person here in our spreadsheet that we have created in Google Sheet applications here in a new row. Okay. For that, what you have to do, you have to make a connection with Google Sheets in with Pabbly Connect. Okay. So for that, click here on this plus icon and another actions tab will open up, and from here choose your application as Google Sheets. Okay. So this is Google Sheets here. And now in this action event you have to select add new row option, because we want to add this person in a new row in the spreadsheet. So select this option, then click on this connect button, and from this window select add new connection and then click on connect with Google Sheets. So from this window it will ask for to select the email ID by which your Google Sheets application is connected. So select that email ID from here and then give the required access to add the data in your spreadsheet. Click on continue. Okay. And you can see the authorization is getting successful here and we are connected with Google Sheets now. Okay. Now it is asking for us to select the spreadsheet. So when you click here on this field, it will show you all the spreadsheets that you have created in your Google Sheet application in this drop down. And the sheet that we are using is this one. Let me show you. We have this sheet and the name of this sheet is payment details. Okay. So in Pabbly Connect, when you click here on this select spreadsheet option, you will find your spreadsheet here only. You can see payment details sheet is here. Select it. Okay, like this. And now it will ask for the name of the sheet you have in your spreadsheet like this. Select sheet. Okay. So you can see in our spreadsheet we have these two sheets, product A and product A, this one. Okay. So select your sheet here, and when you select your sheet it will start showing these fields here below. You can see the name, the email, the phone, and payment ID and the order ID. So guys, these are the names of the columns that we have in our spreadsheet. You can see here we have name, email, phone, payment ID, order ID, and the amount here in our spreadsheet. So these are the details that we want to add here. Okay. So in Pabbly Connect, it is asking for the same details here, and you have to map the details that you want to add here. And we are going to map the details which we got here from this first and the second step, where we have captured the details of the payment and get the full details of the customer in this second step. Okay. So let me map the name first. So to map the name, click here and you will find this Instamojo options here. And from the second option, you will find the name of the customer like this. Okay. Right. And for the email, you have to find the email from the same place is the second option. This is the email, and the phone number also. You will find the phone number here, and the payment ID. You will find the payment ID from the first option, I think. Yeah, there is the payment ID. And in the order ID, let's check if we have the order ID. Okay, so we do not have the order ID here. So if you want to add this, so if you got the details of the order ID, you can map. If you don't have, you can leave it blank also. Or for the example, I am mapping this link ID here. Okay. and in the amount you will find the amount from this first tab. There is the amount. Okay, so when you map these things, what will happen whenever you captures a new payment, these details will be changed automatically, and the data will be delivered to your spreadsheet automatically. Here you can see now we have these 5 rows here in our spreadsheet. Now let me check if our connection is working fine with our spreadsheet. So I'm going to click here on save and send test request, and these details, the test details, will be sent as a new row in our spreadsheet. Okay, so you can see it started showing this kind of response here. Now let's check in my spreadsheet if we got the details, and you can see another row is added here, the 6th one, and it is showing the same details that we have mapped here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now what we want, we also want to add this person in ConvertKit as a subscriber in this tag, this digital marketing course tag. Okay, for that, what you have to do, you have to connect ConvertKit with Pabbly Connect. For that, click on this plus icon and another actions tab will open up. And from this tab, choose your action application as ConvertKit. So this is ConvertKit, guys. Okay, select that. And now in this action event, you have to select tag a subscriber option. Okay, because we are adding a subscriber in a tag. Okay, so click on connect here. And from this window, select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key and the API secret key. So you will find these two things here. You can read, you have to log into your ConvertKit account, and in the account settings you will find these things. So let us go to my ConvertKit account, and here I'm going to click on this profile icon, and from this settings I'm opening the settings page. And guys, here you can see we have this advanced tab on the left hand side. Click on advanced, and from here you will find this API key. Okay, so just click here on this copy icon, and the key is copied. Now paste the key here like this, and you will find this API secret here below, just below the key. You can click here and copy this secret key and paste it here like this. Okay, then click on save here, and you will be connected with ConvertKit like this. Okay, now it is asking for the tag ID. Okay, so when you click here, it will show you all the tags that you have created in your ConvertKit application. So here you can see in my ConvertKit, let me reach the dashboard. Okay, so here you can see I can show you the tags we have. So these are all the tags we have. Okay, and I want to add this person in this tag, digital marketing course tag. Okay, so let me select this tag here from this drop down, digital marketing course. Okay, and in the email I'm going to map the email that we got here from the second step. This is the email of the person, and in the first name, let me map the first name from the second step. This is the name. Okay, then click here on save and send test request, and you will see that this person will be added here in the digital marketing course tag. Let me open this tag for you, and here you can see now we have only this person. Now let me click here on save and send test request, and we will check if this test data will be added there. So you can see it started showing this kind of response. Let's check in ConvertKit. I'm refreshing this page here, and you can see this person Harsha Yadav get added here automatically under this digital marketing course tag. Okay, so our connection with ConvertKit is working properly, and the workflow is also completed. Now let me show you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, I connected my Instamojo, which is our trigger application. And then we captured the response of a new payment here by creating a payment link and making a payment. Then we collected all other details, remaining details of our customer from this second step, trigger action step, by connecting Instamojo again. And with the help of this trigger event get payment details, I collected all other details. Then I wanted to add this person in my spreadsheet for the record. So I connected my Google Sheet application, selected the sheet, mapped the values needed to be transferred. And when I clicked here on save and send test request, you have seen a new row is added here. Okay. After that, From another actions tab, I connected my ConvertKit application to add this person under this digital marketing course tag. Okay. And when I clicked here on save and send test request, you have seen the person is added here, right? Now you just have to click on save. And guys, you can use this same automation workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start running this automation instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you got any query regarding our business automation, you can ask and discuss your queries from this forum. And guys, if you want to check the pricing of this application, you can use this link. And if our automations are helping you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.